Hey there, can you see me? I'm blindfolded. I hope you can see me. So I'm shifting the camera. So I'm doing a painting today, blindfolded. And that's day 14 of the 30-day art challenge, so wish me luck. I've got some paints here. I can't remember, I think it's white on this side and black on the end. Or maybe that's black and white. Okay, so these are the colors. I know I picked magenta and carousel pink and purple rain and a little bottle of black. So, don't remember what's what though. I've got white paint on my canvas. This is I want to say a 12 by 16 inch, but I'm not sure. Maybe a 9 by 12. And I should have 2 cups, and I've got my tools. And so let me start with 2 dirty pours in the cups. So I gotta find my one bottle. I think it's white. And I hope I'm squirting it in the cup. Okay, and I think this is black. Okay, and all these are mixed 50-50 with Floetrol, and there is silicone in the bottles, not in the white and black. So I think I had red and magenta and carousel pink and purple rain maybe. So I'm going to take this one . Squirt it in the bottle. And I'll take this one, but before I do, I'll put maybe some more black. If this is black, I'm not sure. So I'm not going to put a lot if I think it's black. So now I'm going to take this color. Put a good amount in there because I don't know what the heck it is. And then I'm going to, hopefully this is white. And this is, have I used that? I'm not sure. I'll try this one. And I'll put it aside, stick a little white, hopefully it's white. See, I'm holding on to my cups so I know where they are. So I got 2 bottles left. So I'll try this one. Put it aside and maybe stick a little black. And then whatever this one is. Now, I do have, okay, I thought I had a little bottle, but I wasn't sure where it went to. So I'm going to leave that. So I have 2 cups, and they feel pretty full, if not maybe 2/3 full. I can't tell from the weight, but they feel, and I'm not going to stick my fingers in it, but I'm going to find the edges of my canvas. Okay. So I'm a quick and flip. And boom. What do you see? Because I can't see it. And I'm going to put this aside. And I know I have a paper towel, so wipe my fingers off a little bit because I know I got some paint on them. So, okay, let's see. I'm going to tilt a little bit, just a little, because I don't know how much of the canvas it poured onto. I'm just tilting a little bit to hopefully make both cups run together. And there's a comb, yeah, here's my comb. Do I want the, I'm gonna do the tight teeth part. I thought that would be fun to do since I couldn't see what I was doing. So I'll put that down, and I had my heat gun where I could reach it. Make sure I wasn't too close to my canvas. Okay, so I don't know, I'll tilt a little more, but I want to leave the white negative space. Hopefully I didn't put paint all over the canvas. So I've got my little scraper, I've got my skewer, and I've got my card. This is probably going to look a mess, but anyway, let me wipe it off. So maybe right up the center. I don't know why, but the canvas, I felt heat coming from the canvas. That's weird. It might be because I'm paranoid. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. And this is a thin pointed black. Just some splashes for an abstract feel. And I have no idea what that did. So, but it's kind of fun not knowing what you're creating. That's the fun part about it. Woo! That went across the room. I heard it hit the wall. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and put my heat gun to it. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I splashed over somewhere there.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Shh, don't cuss.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You did on the floor as well as on your painting.
Well, I'll clean it up. Okay, so anyway, here's my day 14 challenge of doing it blindfolded, and I hope it's pretty. I have no idea. I'm going to take off my blindfold and take a peek. Oh, kind of ugly, huh? But I'm not touching it because that's what I did blindfolded, so I'm going to leave it. I hope you enjoyed it. that was quite an experience, but anyway, it was fun. We can chalk this one up to one of my ugly ones. It's got a lot of paint on it, but I'm not going to move it because I want it to dry just like this. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next challenge. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure it'll be fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.